welcome to another adventure on this planet Earth. This week, we're going to take a look at agriculture throughout Southeast Asia. Just wandering down the street one day and saw this woman stripping sugarcane stalks. Here's a coffee field on the side of a mountain I came across. It's on the border of Thailand and Myanmar. Yeah, I just wanted to show you coffee in this week's adventure, but I actually covered it 2 weeks ago in the Aka Hill Tribe Swing Festival video. Watching fishermen is not always an interesting practice, but this one really was fascinating and beautiful. Just a very quiet. She would lower the net onto the bottom of the riverbed and let it sit for a few minutes as fish wandered above it, and then she'd pull it up and take in whatever fish she could. She'd get maybe 2 or 3 fish each time, and they were only a few inches long, river fish. I don't think she used any bait, no hooks, didn't have to hold the net in their teeth. It was a very quiet, peaceful, fascinating way to catch fish. Just a beautiful day on the river. Really got to respect these boys out gathering hay for their family. They were ambitious. They were in charge, and they loaded it all up on that little motorbike and carried it home. When I saw this, I thought they were harvesting rice. Little did I know, they're actually collecting rice seedlings from this field, gathering them in bunches, and they will plant them in the rice paddies proper. Yeah, this is a commercial wheat thrasher guy, owns the machine, and basically he goes to different communities every day and rents out the machine somehow. People come out with all their crop and he thrashes it for them. He may even be buying it. I don't know. Hard to say, but it definitely was a big community event going on. Humans have been on this planet Earth for 200,000 years, and it's only been in the past 5 or 10 generations that we've had to adjust to this mechanized and specialized lifestyle. As more and more societies on this planet Earth move away from their agrarian roots into a more specialized economies, and as we like to think that technology is going to provide us with all the answers to life's great questions, I hope we can understand that the answers have been right in front of us. In the peeling of sugarcane, the thrashing of wheat, the gathering of fish in a river. The answers have been there all along. Thanks for hanging for my latest adventure. I'm Mark Gilchrist, and I am, and you are, we all are, on this planet Earth.